In this video, I'm going to walk through Knoema Professional and all the tools you have at your disposal when you've logged in to Knoema.com. So this is the logged in homepage experience for a professional user. Over here on the right, you can click your profile circle and edit things like your account details, your notification settings, etc. Over here on the left is a toolbar that will remain as you use Knoema. Almost no matter wherever you go, you'll have access to be able to quickly find your resources or to utilize tools like building dashboards or to get to various useful links and knowledge bases throughout the site. So what do I do when I first log into Knoema, and what are all these segments? So most users come to Knoema to find and then work with data. So we put finding data up top. So quick access gives you links to things like country data, specific sources of data, or topics. I can simply click into a source, like the Aerospace Industries Association, and see the related data that's within there. Now I'm actually within a data set. I can do a number of things from here. By selecting various items, I'm able to easily visualize the data. I can see these in a chart. I have a kind of simple data set here, various graphs, etc. I can then export that into Excel, access this data via API, etc. But I can also bookmark this data so it'll actually live on my homepage where we first logged in. I can follow this data, so I'll be emailed whenever this particular data set is updated, and I can set an alert so that I'm told when data changes. So if I was to enter conditions here and hit OK, I'd be able to have an alert in my Knoema account. But that's within a data set. Let's go back to the Knoema homepage. What I just clicked on was this quick access, which just gets you right into particular data. I can also search and utilize Knoema's deep search. These search results give you a variety of different options, from time series data to visualizations on the subject to specific data sets. Right here in the UI, I can bookmark that data so it's useful in my account, or I can click and unbookmark. So I bookmarked all these things so you can begin to start seeing how the inner workings of Knoema.com function. So when I log in, the industry I've selected, and for instance, mine is aerospace, kind of key new industry data is shown. I can also click and see what data sets are expected to publish soon that might be relevant to me. I can also download data briefs, which are PDFs that kind of provide specific data for different circumstances. I can also see trending data that's popular on Knoema. So this top portion is just giving you easy access to find the things that are relevant to you. If I scroll down, I'm going to get to specific dashboards. Dashboards are things that have been created within Knoema where I'm able to save different visualizations, add text, etc., and use those to track key things internally, download and share externally. Here I'm going to see a preview for the tools that surface Knoema's data within Word and Excel. I can just click it now and it'll go to the add-in store in Knoema. I can X that out and won't see it again. And then I'm going to have useful things from my recent workflow. So all my recently viewed data on Knoema is going to be here. And all my bookmarks, like the ones I just placed, are going to be available in data or in pages. And I can expand that to see more. So all that saved data I have easy access to. And down here, you're going to see recent dashboards that Knoema's kind of team has created. So from inside here, I'm able to kind of search for that data, save it into my bookmarks, set notifications to get told when data is updated or when certain data is changed in a way that is important to me and my business. And I can also get into actual tools of Knoema, like building dashboards and presentations, etc. And I'm not going to dive into how those work. This is kind of just a walkthrough of what I'm able to do for my homepage logged in area. But if you're just getting started, I'd recommend using the deep search function, because it actually works really well and provides results that tend to be interesting for your business. And type in some key terms that really matter to you. See what the prompts are, and then check out the results and begin working with them. That's all for this kind of initial overview of what happens when you log into Knoema Professional. If you need any help when you're logged in, all you have to do is hit the handy help button, and I can leave a message, or I can click over into the knowledge base and kind of discover more with user guides and FAQs, etc. That's all. Thank you so much for watching.